Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2016 Honda PCX150 motor scooter. 2-up, 150 cc's, liquid-cooled, fuel-injected automatic transmission. You and your pal can cruise the Bay Area on this gorgeous PCX150. Gets close to 100 miles per gallon with automatic transmission, super easy, beautiful dark red metallic. Only 187 miles on this gorgeous scooter. It's almost brand new. Price to sell just $29.99. Come by, check it out, make us an offer. If we can do it, we will. We have financing, we have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.